Hoover. I've got a Beldray 2-stick 1 vacuum. Got a head here. That's the vacuum itself. It looks like, the vacuum. It's got, you can change it like that. I bought this for £20. But there it goes on. Comes out like that, and then it goes like that, and I can change it to vacuum like that. I know you can do that. I can put that crevice tool in there. I used it for vacuuming. I use it for vacuuming my room. I do. I know this is a video of the Hoover, and also you can go in like that. How to, that's the stick that goes there. I know that bit's to empty it. That's the switch bit. Yeah. But to go on and off, I would wrap the cord back up. This is my Beldray Hoover. I know I will make sure the video goes on YouTube.